Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. My name is Chandrakala and you are watching this video Learn English with Kala. Guys, I am back because I was busy in some work. I was not getting time to make a video. That's why I have not been uploading video for 4 days I think. But right now, but finally I'm free, so I thought that I must make a video. I must share something very interesting so that you could enjoy your journey, you could learn something from my journey, you could learn something from my English. Okay, so I'm here and in this video I will give you some important things that you need to know before starting your journey. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to start learning English language, how to start speaking in English language. But before that, if you are new here, so you must subscribe to this channel so that you could get my all videos whenever I upload here. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, you know what, when I started my journey, that time I was in zero level. I was not knowing anything in English language, so it was very tough for me to start speaking in English language. But finally I decided that let's learn this language. Finally I decided that let's break the layer of hard English language. I started knowing about English language. I started learning English language by watching videos. I was trying to understand English language. I was watching videos every day, every time whenever I was free. I was watching videos. But from that things from that part, I did not get anything. So I was regretting that I have been watching videos for last 1 year, but I am not getting anything. What is my mistake? Because of that I am not improving my English. So after that I got to realize that I was not doing English speaking practice. That's why I was not able to speak in English language, right? So after that, what I did, after that my main journey started from that day when I realized that my English is in zero level. Even I have watched so many videos in English language, but had not improved my English. So but I have not improved my English language. So when I started thinking about English language, that how can I start speaking in English language. So when I started speaking in English language, I was like crazy. I was just doing English speaking practice. From that day I stopped watching videos. I was not doing watching videos practice. I was not listening English words. I was focusing on my speaking. And I can say that only in 1 week, where I was very consistent to speak in English language, I was like crazy. When I got to realize that I have wasted my 1 year only by watching videos, then I was very angry on me. Really, I was feeling very angry on me that you don't have any sense. Calling, I was beating, I was fighting with me that you have wasted your time. After that I started speaking in English language, and only in 1 week I got a result that I started feeling that I'm improving my English. Okay, so from these things what you have to understand that guys, if you want to learn this language, if you want to improve your English language, so if you haven't started your journey, so try to understand that what kind of things you need to learn for starting speaking in English language. Okay, firstly you need to learn basic grammar. If you know that, so do not waste your time. You can improve your knowledge by listening English videos, by watching videos, by writing. But until you start speaking, you cannot improve your English speaking skill. Keep these things in your mind that if you want to speak in English language, so you need to speak. If you are weak in speaking in English language, so you need to work on that. Until you work, you will not feel that you are learning this language or you are improving English speaking skill. You will not feel that. Okay, so work on your weak point so that you could say that yes, I have worked my weak point and now I am improving, I have improved. So if speaking is your weak point, so work on that and start improving your English by working on that weak point so that you could feel that you have done something or you are doing something, right? I have seen so many people, they have started their journey, but they do not know a right path of learning English language. Because of that, they are getting so much time to learn this language. Trust me, guys, it will not take too much time. If you are consistent, if you are really dedicated to learn this language within 1 month, you will definitely get improvement in your journey. I can give you guarantee, you can write my words that if you are doing your English speaking practice at least 1 hour in a day, and if you follow these tips at least for 1 month, you will definitely improve your just you need to maintain your consistency and be determined to learn this language. You know, until you feel that you are crazy to learn this language, I cannot say that how in how much time you will learn this language. There is no guarantee of that kind of things. If you are consistent, so I can give you 1 month, that in 1 month you can improve your English. But that depends on your practice, how much practice you do in a day, that much you will improve your English. Okay, so if you have not started your speaking English language, so start from today onwards whatever you know. And one mistake that every learner make, that is focusing on listening, focusing on writing, focusing on watching videos, but they do not focus on speaking, and because of that they face so many challenges while speaking in English language. Why we make mistake, why we procrastinate, why do we feel hesitate while speaking in English language, why do we feel fear while speaking in English language. These all kind of things that we face while speaking in English language, because of not able to speak in English language, because of we do not try to speak in English language. That's why we face this kind of things in our journey. So if you want to remove this kind of things, that if you have fear, if you hesitate to speak in English language, if you procrastinate, if you try to speak in English language but words do not come in your mind, so these all are happening because of your one mistake. These all are happening because of your one mistake, and that is not trying to speak in English language. Okay, so start speaking in English language. Until you start speaking in English language, you cannot improve your English, you cannot improve your confidence. And when you start speaking in English language, you feel that you have unique confidence, or you feel that you have unique quality to share your thoughts. Okay, so learn this language. However, you can learn this language no matter, you just need to learn this language. Okay, if you want to learn this language, so you can learn this language by maintaining your consistency. And it is very, it is not very tough language for learning. And we can learn, anybody can learn this language, anyone can speak this language. English can be spoken by anyone, so try to learn this language. And one more thing that I want to add here, that guys, whenever you try to speak in English language, do not speak like a robot. Do not try to speak like a robot. Add expression, add the fluctuation, add the modulation, so that you could sound that you are speaking in English language. And you know what, when you try to speak in front of anyone, that time when you do not sound like a robot, when you do not sound like English language, that time when you add your expression, your emotion, your fluctuation, your modulation, that time people with whom you will talk, they will think that they have knowledge about English language, I must listen them. Okay, so add the value in your words, add the value in your English language, so that people always would like to listen you. Otherwise, if you think that only speaking is my work, only I want to speak in English language, so English can be spoken, English can be read by anyone, English can be read by anyone, right? Do not read English language. Share your thoughts in English language. By what, do not speak only English language, add some values in your words, so that people could understand the weight of your words. Okay, so this was my video. This is my thought, that I think that English can be spoken, but we should speak with our thoughts, with our emotion, with our fluctuation. We need to add this in our language according to the situation. You can use that, and I hope that you got to learn something from this video. Actually guys, it is my video, I think after 4 days I'm making this video, so I hope that you like my video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And here I upload English content videos and knowledgeable motivational videos, so you can subscribe to this channel if you want more knowledge about English language. If you got something from this video, if you think that something you have learned from this video, so you can let me know in the comment box, and you can let me know in the comment box that what are the things that you are facing while learning English language, and I will try to make video on that. Till then, take care, keep doing practice, have a nice day, bye bye.